In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I take a rotisserie chicken I bought yesterday and reheat it in my air fryer. Hey, I'm Laura, and on this channel, I share lots of my family's favorite recipes and awesome cooking tips like this one so you get more confident in your kitchen. If that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button so you and I can cook together a few times a week. First things first, you want to preheat your air fryer. Preheating it ensures that the temperature inside is nice and hot by the time you put the chicken in. I typically reheat my rotisserie chicken with the tray inside so any juices can stay right under in the basket. If your rotisserie chicken is on the larger side, like from Costco or Sam's, it will need about 1 to 2 more minutes of cooking time so it's heated all the way through. Now that my air fryer is hot, I'm gonna place the rotisserie chicken directly inside and I'm going to heat it up for about 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can reheat your rotisserie chicken whole, or you can cut it into pieces and place the pieces in the air fryer and then heat it up. That way, it usually cuts the cooking time for a couple of minutes. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always include them for you. Now that my rotisserie chicken is warm, I can put it in a platter and serve it for dinner. I can also cut it into pieces to serve or use it in my favorite recipes. And of course, pulling your rotisserie chicken when it's warm makes the job so much easier. Oh, don't leave just yet. Make sure to watch this next video.